Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fix Master. If you're new here, we create simple and effective tech tutorials to help you navigate digital platforms with ease. In today's video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of permanently deleting your LinkedIn account using your mobile device. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech guides. Now, let's get started. To begin, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Next, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. In the menu, you will see Setting icon at the left. Tap on Settings to proceed. This section allows you to manage your account, privacy settings, and preferences. Scroll down until you see the Help Center option. This is where LinkedIn provides support options for various account-related actions. Click on it, locate, and tap on Close Your Account. This will direct you to a page that explains what happens when you delete your LinkedIn account. Be sure to read this information carefully before proceeding. LinkedIn will ask if you're sure you want to close your account. If you are certain about this decision, tap on Continue. Keep in mind that once your account is deleted, you will lose all your connections, messages, endorsements, and profile data. Now, LinkedIn requires you to select a reason for closing your account. You can choose from options like privacy concerns, no longer using the platform, or other reasons. Select the one that best applies to you, and then tap Next. For security reasons, LinkedIn will ask you to enter your password to verify your identity. Type in your password, then check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of closing your account. Finally, tap on Done to complete the process.